Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to draw the beak of a scavenging bird, namely like this is a North American condor. So this is the beak that we had shown in a different video from the side of how it most likely appears, and we're going to show this same beak from a different perspective. So slightly from a tilted angle, because we wanted to do like a point blank front angle, and we can do that as well, but we do want to show the same beak from the side, and from a side, and yet like tilted angle in which it appears like that. So if you have a pencil all set, we will put in, so please use like light strokes, like broken strokes like that can help. So that is this tip here is where all the keratin is. So little bulge right there from that angle. So we have shown it closed here. You could open it, but we have shown it closed here. And we go back with the head. So the eyes, something somewhere along that line. Put that in right there. And then there's of course that face that comes in, skin folds, bald head, that goes back, and of course it'll go back like that, and there's that bulge showing sort of like that. The neck going into the fur coat, the feathers, the feathery plumage, like that. So that is the sketch put down showing that same beak from the side. A bulge here will be better. And go back. Now, in the same species of birds, sometimes if you look at different specimens, there are like minor differences even among them, but not most of the time. Most of the time the look, they will look, of course they'll look similar when you see a few of them like hanging out together, scouting the area in case they need to, if some of them feel hungry, they need to scavenge, look for dead things. They do look similar in a group. So the head, how it is that it's like going inward like that at this angle and then coming out. And what every little feature is streamlined to make this thing here do its job. And that is that I forgot the nostril here. Nostril right there from that particular angle anyways. So every little bit is put in a sort of a streamlined perspective for the condor to be able to rend its prey, its food. So it is not necessarily killing its prey. It is, as we said, scavenging, using the scavenging apparatus and it's awesome gift of flight. And that too we mentioned in this video where we put the beak from that angle, that this guy has an immense wingspan, a wingspan that goes quite possibly 250 to 300 centimeters. It's like really big. So one of the biggest flying feathered creatures on the planet. I say creature because even though like this thing is it is a bird, yes, but its look is like so modern and primitive. Now that's my opinion, but it's like so modern and primitive at the same time. If you look at it, it's like scraggly head. And then so we are putting in cross hatch along the shapes, and of course you will have your own ideas of how to highlight the different features here. So this bird with its scraggly, and then it goes into this beautiful plumage, and then when it flies, its flight resembles in some ways the eagle. So there's like a lot of skin folds here, by the way. So it resembles the eagle in the sense that it can go long distances without continuously flapping its wings because the aerodynamics carry it. And in its wingspan, I think that many condors are second to only the albatross, which is the largest known flying bird on the planet, the flight of which is also wondrous. So there we have it, quick crosshatch, and of course the crosshatch varies with the slightest tilt, and this of course is all like it's like shining keratin right here. And if you wish, you could just like fill that out with a marker or set like certain tones that will show your respect for the details, for this very material that this bird uses to tear apart its food. So there we have it, scavenging beak, and in this case particularly a condor shown from that particular angle. So we'll do more videos featuring bird beaks. Please do so stay tuned, please subscribe, keep in touch. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a wonderful day.